This is Channel 411 News with a special news report.
The two major types of rainforest, temperate rainforest and tropical rainforest, are in severe danger. That is where 1/5 of the world's fresh water is found. Rainforests are critical in maintaining the Earth's limited supply of drinking fresh water.
Every second, a slice of the rainforest the size of a football field is mowed down. That's 86,400 football fields of rainforest per day, or over 31 million football fields of rainforest per year.
70% of the plants identified by the U.S. National Cancer Institute are useful in the treatment of cancer are found only in rainforests. More than 2,000 tropical forest plants have been identified by scientists as having anti-cancer properties.
More than 56,000 square miles of natural rainforest are lost each year.
Rainforests are threatened by unsustainable agricultural, ranching, mining, and logging practices. This must be stopped.
And here are some clips.
Well, that was quite the video.
It was. That was intense.
I kind of felt heavy on that one, but I feel really bad though.
Well, that's all the time we have today.
We'll see you next time on Channel 411 News.
Good night.
Protect the fools!
Why don't we get back out?
Stop it.